Hey everyone, it's Julia. I am back with the UniWigs Claire Remy Human Hair Topper. This topper is a 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch base. It has a monofilament top, so you can part this topper left, center, or right. Because it is human hair, you can treat it like your own hair and heat style it. If you are going to add curls or waves to your human hair topper, you'll want to make sure to style your own hair underneath so that it blends flawlessly. I have gone ahead and styled my own hair. I want to make sure that the lace front is at my hairline, and I take the first two pressure sensitive clips and clip those in place. And then the two in the back, I position at the crown and clip those into place. Fast and easy. I've completed styling Claire. As you can see, I've added waves all around. Just beautiful. You don't have to worry about your hair topper slipping, sliding, or separating from your hair. The 4 pressure sensitive clips are very secure and comfortable to wear.